queen number 5 is Yuki Ito. Ang babaeng hindi nauubusan ng angat. How are you, Miss Yuki?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm sick.
And
Thank you so much for the message you gave me and for the generosity. How was your experience in Los Baños?
in the Spanish, in the whole Laguna, my goodness gracious, sobrang welcome na tao talaga sa atin dito. And I'm really thankful dahil nagkaroon man ng hindi magandang kapamawaan few years ago with my last passion here, but now I'm back with so much love from all of you. Maraming
Yes. And what I can promise you, Miss Yuki, is kung sino man yung hindi mo lang kalawaan, wala kang kami. Ayan. Kaya naman, galactic queen. This is Miss Yuki. Figure na yung judge.
Okay. Charge number 5, Mr. Francis Shimart Barrett.
Ito yung tanong sa iyo, kapatid. Do you believe that there is unity in diversity? Ulitin ko. Do you believe that there is unity in diversity?
Do I believe that there is unity in diversity? There can be unity. There can be unity in diversity. But first of all, we really have to be diverse. We are not diverse yet. My goodness gracious, ang mga tao, nirespeto nila, yes, ang mga bakla, tinatanggap naman nila yan eh. Pero are you fully accepting the LGBT community? Talaga po pag kami ay lumabas, we can say that we are safe? Hindi po. So I guess we are not yet there. Hindi pa natin tuluyan nakakamtan kung ano nga ba ang pinaglalaban ng ating komunidad. But I guess tonight, upon saying this, or upon answering this question, I hope that it can be an eye-opener for everyone that let us fully accept the gay community, the LGBT community, and from there, we will be diverse and inclusive as one. Thank you.
Very well said. Queen number 5, Miss Yuki Ito.
So we'll see you later.
Queen number 6, the very beautiful Miss Ash Alabama.
So talaga ano yung similarities na may kayo
Si Miss Ash, no? And actually, to be honest, this is also one of my favorite magazine reads. Talaga naman napakaganda, napaka-eloquent din dito. Marami natin. Kaya naman, kamusta Ash? How was your experience? Kamusta ang pagbabalik?
To be honest, I'm quite nervous, but I'm genuinely happy and ecstatic tonight. It's actually my very first time to join a pageant after a year of taking a break from pageantry, so I feel like a first timer. But thank you, people of Los Baños, for welcoming the LGBT community. Maraming salamat.
Kasi isang taon ko na mahinga because reyna ng turismo. And kaya naman, ano natin yan, shake it up, and pick the name of your judge. Alright, let me do the honors. Ash picked judge number 9, Mr. Brad Edward De Jesus.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good evening. And ganda mo naman. Few questions. If given a chance to be reborn, what gender would you choose and why? Again, your three questions, Scott. If given a chance to be reborn, what gender would you choose and why?
Thank you so much for that very interesting question. You know, ladies and gentlemen, the sole reason why I'm standing here in front of all of you is because I am embodying what I really wanted to be. I know that I am a transgender woman standing in front of you, but if I will be reborn, I will choose to be a naturally born woman. Because I believe that women are one of the most beautifully creation of God. Women, our mothers, our sisters, our friends, everyone around us, we all have our women in our lives. And that is something that I wanted to experience. As a trans woman, I experienced almost all forms of discrimination and scrutiny. And women are the ones who accept us more than anything in this world. So I would have to say that becoming a woman will always be the fulfillment and completion of my being as a person. But I always appreciate the life that is given to me by Almighty God. Thank you very much.
Alright, so that's our queen, number 6, Miss Ashley. And I'll see you later.
The counting period of Ashton. That's on. We know it, Patricia. How do you know? Patricia, let me personally welcome you to Los Baños. How's your experience?
My experience so far here in Los Baños has been very great. Thank you so much, people of Los Baños, for giving us a very warm thank you.
May mga gusto ko pasalamatan tonight.
I would like to thank the organizers of this event for making it possible and for your time, for everyone's time who took their time to spend here with us today. Thank you.
Yan naman, tawagin na natin si Ryzen. He can even your judge, please. Let me do the honors. And having choose judge number 2, John Adrian Garcia Ramos. Wait.
Hi, Miss Patricia. Good luck and here's your question. Amidst the rampant spread of fake news and disinformation in our country, how can you still say that you are proud to be a Filipino? Once again, amidst the rampant spread of fake news and disinformation in our country, how can you still say that you are proud to be a Filipino?
In modern time of technology, which is 2024, it is very easy to spread lies, fake news, and have deceitful information about people, current events, and what's happening around the globe. But for me, I can say that I am truly proud to be a Filipino because I am grounded with my values. I have my fundamental belief that everyone should have a fair and equal access for fair, just, and the right news. Because I firmly believe as a mass communication graduate, walang labis, walang kulang, walang dagdag, walang bawas sa tunay na pagpapahayag ng tama at patas na pamamagitan. Para sa akin, ito ay ating responsibilidad bilang mga edukadong tao na ipakalat ang legit at tunay at tamang impormasyon sa ating kapwa nang sa gayon ay hindi dumami ang mga taong mangmang sa mga bagay na hindi naman makatotohanan. Kaya para sa akin, proud to be Pinoy ako dahil alam ko ang tama at kasunod. Maraming salamat.
Alright, that's our queen, number 7, Miss Patricia.
Yes, so let's wrap it up with Queen of Array, Maria Iwanesca Una. Sabi ko nagpapalagay. Oh. May isang pageant. Natantrums na. How are you, Miss Iwanesca?
I feel so nervous and I feel so excited.
Mayos ka. May mga gusto ko pasalamatan sa live.
Papasalamatan ko muna yung sarili kasi without me, ako dito.
Ano naman?
Pangalawa, sa Panginoon kasi binigyan ako ng lakas kasi despite of my challenges this past few days, lumalaban tayo sa buhay. At pangatlo, sa kasama ko ngayon si Amalia Yolanda Bulan, kay Moira, kay Jao, ay maraming salamat sa aking mother.
Si Nanay Esther. Ano lang si Nanay Esther sa live. Hello. Ayan. Go back. Pagiging na ang ating creed number 8. Good honors. Sige ako na. Judge number 7, John King Mangiat. Sa Ilaway.
Hi, good evening. I think question is what is your stand about divorce being carried out in the Philippines?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, what is your stand about the divorce being carried out in the Philippines?
To be honest, my dear friends, ang kasal lang ay sagrado sa simbahan. Dahil ito'y binabasbasan ng ating pari at ng ating Panginoong Kristo. Kaya kapag kayo pinili ng ating mamahalin sa panghabang buhay, maaari dapat sigurado tayo. But for me, I am not in favor of divorce. Sort of, pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi. Kasi nilolong ng mamahalan na nagsasama sila pero nagkakasakastan sila physical, emotionally, physically, and mentally. So, on the other hand, pwede din hindi kasi kasama nila kasalan ay sagrado dahil pinapaspasan ng ating Panginoon Kristo. But if I am in that situation, I would rather I am into divorce. Why do I say so? Dahil mas gugustuhin bang nakita ang dalawang magkasita o dalawang mag-asawa na nagkakapisikalan emotionally, physically, and mentally. Para sa akin, hindi na po nakakatanto yun. Maaaring magsama sila sa kanilang anak dahil I firmly believe na hindi mas magandang nakikita natin nasasama yung dalawang magulang na lumalaki mga bata na nagkakapisikalan ng dalawang mag-asawa. We are living in the 20th century right now. Kailangan natin magbago or we have to adjust something not for our own sake. Magbago tayo ng sistema. Kasi on the other hand, kapag hindi nagbago ng sistema sa ating mundo ginagalaban, maraming puso o dalawang puso na magkasama nagmamahalan na nagkakasakitan lamang. But on the other hand, I am into divorce. That's why, pero kung magmamahalan kayo, magpapakasal kayo, make it sure na yun yung pinakamamahal mo kasi hahanap kayo sa Panginoon Kristo. Maraming salamat.
Once again, that is our creed number 8, Maria Iwanesca Pagmuna.